Alright guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mod menu to your GTAG copy. I'm using my GTAG copy with mods and everything, but I'm going to show you how to make a mod menu just like a mod menu fully like this. Wait, let me find it. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mod menu just like this with fully working FPS, but we're not going to do that one. We're only going to do this one with fully working this is my mod menu, but I'm going to show you how to make one. So first, what you need to do, you want to download the Unity packages, mod menu, new temp. You just want to get this one, start menu. So then, once you're done with this, like once you have it installed, put it into your project. It's gonna be a Unity package, but I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a mod menu. Credits to Quantum for making this. Say thank you to Quantum. Alright, but I'm gonna teach you how to make a mod menu. So first, what you need to do, you need to do. I believe all this will be set up for you. If it's not, then your game will probably be messed up. So first off, you need to have OS menu button 1 and just copy whatever I did right here. And then just button render, you just want to do that right there. Pressed like that. And then game object, I will show you in a bit. And then just name whatever you want your thing to be. I'm just going to do this. And press. And then button. So that I have it all done. If you want to do the same thing. And then this right here, guys, is OS button. So what you need to do, you actually need to do page 1 and then page 2 to enable. And then same thing with this one. You just need to say, yeah, it's gonna have it already saved for you, but yeah, if it doesn't, then you just need to copy everything I did right here. Just do everything I did. If you need to pause the video, you can. But first off, let's get started with the mods. So first off, you need to go to create empty. Name it long arms. I'm just gonna do long arms. Longer arms, and then target object, gorilla player. And then after that, you need to make sure you turn off this. And after this, you just need to, whatever you want to name your mod menu, for like, I'm gonna do longer arms. Longer arms. And then after that right there, I'm gonna put your game object. So scroll down, and it's gonna be long arms. Put it right there. And then after that, we're gonna put some more, but I want to show you something that it fully works. If once you put the script in, remember, make sure to have all this correctly, like how I have it. And then so longer arms is working. Yep, longer arms is working. See, and then right here, I'm just turn page. Like that, guys, and it's fully working. But I'm gonna do like 2 more mods or something like that, and then you can do it like. And if you also want to change your menu name, just change it to like whatever tutorial menu. Tutorial menu. And then I'm going to put the text as tutorial. And then right here, you just want to just put like, I'm going to do gorilla car. Gorilla car. So I'm going to teach you how to set up gorilla car now. So first, what you need to do, you just need to duplicate this. You don't need to add another one. Gorilla car. Make sure you delete this and then gorilla Gorilla. Here, I'll just go to mods for mod menu. And then I will be posting all these mods in the Discord. So, Gorilla Car right there. And then rig body, you're just going to put Gorilla Player. And then for this one, you're just going to put main camera. Then you can change the speed. I'm going to do like 82. I don't really matter. Or my suggestion for you is probably like 23. Yeah, 23, but I'm just gonna do 66. Don't really matter. And then what you need to do, you need to do this. Go to the car right there. And then right there, you have all your mod menu set up. So then you just want to do the same one. Like that. So I'm gonna do one more mod menu. We're gonna do, we're gonna do short arms. Short arms. Duplicate this. Short arms. Short arm and then target object gorilla. I cannot spell. Gorilla player. Then you just want to drag your short arm into this, and then after that, you will have your short arms working, fully working. There you go. And then that is how you make a mod menu. And then one more thing, if you want to make your tutorial like a button, it's up to you. But I'm gonna do like in your hand. So if you want to do it like this, you can. But I'm gonna do it. So when you do this, you just want to make sure you gotta scroll up, go to global, local VR rig, local player, and then rig. And then right here, you're gonna go to shorter L, upper L, and then right here, open this component. This is for your mod menu to spawn in your hand. But yeah, you can just add more mods if you want. And right here, just put it on that. And then there you go. You have your fully working mod menu right in your hand. So yeah, that's how you get a mod menu fully working. But I'm not gonna do that because it usually doesn't work for me. But whatever you're updating, see right now I'm using my project custom cosmetics everywhere. But if you wanna do it, you can. I'm not daring you to or nothing. But you can do it if you want. But that is how you make a fully working mod menu. I'm gonna post the scripts right now for you. But this is that's how you make a fully working mod menu to your Gorilla Tag copy. But if you wanna learn how to add more stuff, just contact me and then I will help you with everything. But right here, you just go on my Discord server. Right. How to add a mod menu, and I'll post some scripts right now. Master mod menu. And then there you go. And then, yeah. Have a good day. Bye.